It's here. The special box. And I don't know how many people know I'm getting this, but here it is. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Alright, let me move my table out of the way. See, I have little wheels on this homemade island, so I can push it around, so I can make room for packages like this. I didn't realize that it was going to be this big for 2 headlights, but hey, at least they come well packaged, right? So I'm going to put my old headlights in here and my new headlights on the car. Here's these. They came with the headlights. I don't know if I'll use them or not, but there they are. Oh yeah, look how sweet these look. Can you see them? This, I guess it's like a silver color right here. It goes around the headlight. That is a LED light that glows, which is freaking awesome. These signals right here are sequential, so they'll blink. Like if I'm turning, this is the left headlight. So if I'm turning left, oh, this is the right headlight. This is the right headlight. So if I'm turning right, they'll blink this way. If I'm turning left, the other one will blink the other way. So there's that. They're absolutely huge. I didn't realize the stock ones were this huge. This also has 3M tape on it, so I think if I 3M tape it right there, that might be pretty good. This is a resistor. Oh, I guess you can't see. So this little resistor here has a 3M tape on it, so I guess you're supposed to stick it somewhere. I don't know why they just didn't go ahead and do that, but I'll put them in my car and then I'll 3M tape it. And I'm going to take you with me to my car when I install these right now. It is a little bit dark out, so, but here they are. And so they're so big it's hard to get them all in the frame. You'll see when I get it put on my car. So here we go. I should wash my headlights before I do this, but
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Added up the numbers, now the math works. I got the way to make the path work. All these lights turning from red to green, timing is everything, and it feels so good to shine. Gon' get a light. I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life, my best life. Hey, I'm popping like champagne, glass half full of like every day. No more working at or ballet. I had to rock the boat so I could ride the wave, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Laughing cause I got the cheat code to life, and we all gon' be alright, so come and get it like I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life, my best life. perfect timing. Sun is shining, nothing more I need, yeah. If you feel like this your best life, won't you sing with me?